Hello everyone. If your PC is slow down and you would like to boost that, to work better and increase the performance of your PC, if that is Windows 10 or Windows 11. So in this video, I will show you all those tips and guides you how to boost your PC speed, to boost it up. So let's get started. First of all, we will move to the battery settings. So let's move to the start and to the settings. If the setting icon is not pinned here, so you can search that here. Coming to the settings, then we will move to the system. In the system, then we will move to the power and battery. After coming to the power and battery, just come here down. So here power mode. So click here, best power efficiency. So we will select as best performance. Which one you would like to select. By default it is select unbalanced, but by selecting best performance, so it will operate well and it will increase the performance of your usage. And the second option, let's move back to the system, and in the system we will come here down to the about, and in the about we will come here to the advanced setting, and in the advanced came here to the advanced again, then to the settings. In the setting here we will it says let Windows choose what's the best for your computer, but we will adjust for best performance. So select this one. These all options has unchecked, but we will just enable some of them that we need. First of all, enable animation in the taskbar and some other options. Save taskbar thumbnail preview. And other under Windows, show thumbnails instead of icons, and one another option that we should enable, that is show window contents while dragging, and also smooth edge screen, and apply it and press OK. So this was the second setting that we have applied. Now let's go back to the settings. And in the settings we will move to the app and privacy. After coming to the app and privacy, come here to the general, and in the general we will all turn up all these radio buttons. Uncheck them. Let's go back to privacy in settings. Come here to the app permissions. Just uncheck those apps that you don't need. For example, the location. Come here to the location, it should be turned up. So after coming to turn up this, come here to, for example, which one you don't use, notification. Turn up the notification, and other apps that you don't want to use, just turn off those, like phone calls and some others. We don't want to call on our, so we don't need this one. And other apps that you don't need use, just turn up all of those, like messagings. We don't want to send messages. So this was all about app permissions. And now let's move to the Windows update. In the Windows update, check it for window update. To update to up to date your Windows, and also come here to the advanced options, and in the advanced options we will move to the delivery optimizations, and in the delivery optimization turn it up. To do not share it with the other PCs if that is in a network or in the internet. Turn it up. Now let's move to the apps. In the apps we will move to the startup apps. Turn off all of these. We can sort it status or by high impact. Just without Windows Defender, turn all of them. It is better to turn all of them because these are running in the background. Windows security notification, leave it like just turn off them, and come here to the install app. Uninstall all those apps that you don't want to use. Just like I am not using, let's come here down, which software that I am not using. OpenShot. I am not using this one. Let's uninstall it. Uninstall all those softwares that you don't use. Are you sure? Yes. Now let's move back to the system. In the setting, let's move to the notification. In the notification, just come down. Let's wait for that. Come down and here to the advanced setting, and in that way advanced setting, just uncheck this get tips and suggestion when using Windows. Uncheck this one. Now let's move to the storage. Okay, coming to the system and to the storage. After coming to the storage, here you will see all the storage, and here we will turn on this one. Okay, storage scenes, because let's move to the storage scenes. Just turn it on, and when you would like to clean up, okay, it means that it will clean up whenever there is low space, but we would like to run it whenever every week. Okay, let's come here, we will specify here every week. Okay, every week it will just remove all those unnecessary files that we don't need. And there is other settings that you can configure your storage. Now just come here down to cleanup recommendations. Come here to the cleanup recommendations, come to the advanced options. Here you can remove all those unnecessary files. Don't check the downloads, because if you would like, I don't want to delete those files which are in downloads folder, but other files like Windows Update Cleanup, thumbnails, Microsoft Defender antivirus, delivery optimization, other these all things I would like to remove them. So to remove them, just simply press remove all of them. Okay, continue. Yeah, all file has removed. And now let's remove all temporary files. Okay, for that Windows R, and then we will like temp, so press OK. So continue. So we will delete all the temporary files. Okay, Control A and delete them, and skip all those which you can't be deleted. And now let's write Windows R percent temp and percent. Okay, so delete all these also. Yeah, these are deleting, and continue. Yeah, skip all those which can't be deleted. Yeah, everything has gone. So it was all about some tips and tricks that to boost your PC and speed it up. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.